How's it going? So I'm going to show you how I make a video, because I use my phone for everything. I use a Galaxy Note 5, and I do everything. I record, edit, and I'll show you everything. Alright, so first take a video of our crazy dog that we got to keep chained up. She always jumps the fence. She finds the lowest part of the fence that we have to repair, and she always jumps it. So yeah, you are tethered, dog. Alright, so first off, I go into Samsung Movie Maker. If you have a Samsung phone, and you can use Movie Maker to do a whole lot of stuff. Alright, I switched it over to landscape because a lot easier on the eyes. Then all we do is find the video. Alright, so first take a video of... Alright, going to the next screen. But on the right we have all these effects right here. You can play the video. Alright, so first take a video of... And if you need to expand out the video right here even more, say we need to clip out the back of her head, like starts right here. Well, let's start right here. Go to trim and then split, and then find out where she turns her head. There we go. Go to trim again, split. So now this whole section is taken off. So I can hold down, dump it, so that we gotta. She always jumps it. So it's it would be flawless if I wasn't talking in it. And then you have effects right here. You can add effects if you want. Vintage, vignette, all that wonderful stuff. Dawn, sepia, but we're gonna do none. You add text every time you see some text pop up, like when pun right there, and then you can shorten it. Wait till it pops up. Take a video of our crazy dog that we gotta. There we go. If you want to add audio, go to the plus, audio, music. I have my music in here. Like, let's do all. Hit done. And on music, you can quiet that down, hit volume, and then watch the percentage go down on the blue line. Up and down, up and down. We'll do 10%. Come on, 10. There we go. Or 9 is good enough. How's them apples? So we gotta. She always jumps it. Okay. And then you can speed it up, slow it down. If you have clicked on the video, you'll see the white barrier on the left and right of it. You can adjust the volume, volume of the video itself. Rotate the video, I never do that, never really needed to. But then you hit save, and it will save the video. But do that, and then I can even, well, how about this? We add videos, video editor, put my intro in the front. How's that? Alright, so first, take a... There. Let's move this recording down so it doesn't interfere with the audio from that. Alright, so first, take a video of our crazy dog that we gotta... Oh yeah, and then transitions. I almost forgot about that. Transition on the upper right. I usually use, I think this one right here. Yep, that transition. Alright, so first... Then you have other ones. Like that one I think is pretty interesting. Dog that we gotta... Anyway. That is how I do videos on my phone, and I can really do it anywhere. So, if you have a Samsung, I think most Samsungs right now come with this program. And if you have it, you can edit your videos really anywhere also. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.